Today I'm going to be reviewing the Topeak SmartGauge D2 tire pressure gauge. If you care about traction, cornering, or not slipping out for any reason, this might be one of the most underrated tools you can have. Setting your tire pressure is really important, and this gauge makes it really easy to do that. I check my tire pressure each time before I go out for a ride. This thing makes it really easy to do that, so let's get into it. This tire gauge goes up to 250 PSI or 17 bar if you're from that part of the world. It's very convenient and can go from Presta to Schrader in just one flip of a switch. This is really convenient because you can go from checking your car's tire pressure to checking your bike's tire pressure without having two different gauges. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and hit the like button, and while you're down there you might as well hit the subscribe button. I'd appreciate it. It has three different modes of measuring air. You can go from PSI to bar to kilograms per centimeter squared. So whatever measurement of pressure you use, this will work for it. It has a highly readable LED screen that works even in bright sunlight. You can still read it, and is all around really durable and solid. If you want to pick up this multi-tool for yourself, I'll have it linked in the video description down below. If you want to check out any more of my gear reviews, go ahead and check out this playlist right here. I'll see you over there.